Hello, welcome to Cloud 24 Services. My name is Michael Okotie. So in this brief tutorial, I want to teach you how to get rid of this error anytime you're trying to import a database from your local server to a live server. Okay, so let's just go straight into it right now as we solve the problem together. Let's go. Okay, so let me just show you the database. This is right here. Okay, I'm trying to import this particular database to live server. Okay, so what's the problem? So the issue is that there is a problem with the collation I used on my local server. So right now we just come right here. Okay, we're going to copy this collation here, this UTF-8 MB4, whatever it is. Just copy it. Let's do it again. Let's do it together again. So let's do it together again. Let's copy it. Okay, so now that we're done with this, I'll go straight to my downloads, of course, and then come to the database. I'll open this with my code editor, my text editor. It could be Sublime, it could be whatever you want to use. Go ahead and use. Okay, so I'll just come right here. Okay, then go straight to find. Okay, then straight to replace. Please, in case you've not subscribed to this channel, if you're new to this channel, please help me subscribe to this channel so that whenever I release any tutorial that can be of help to you on your web development journey, you can be the first to see it. So what we're going to do is we'll go straight here. We'll come right here. This is the problem, right? Okay, this is what we copied. Let me just bring it right up here. I've done this before, so that's the reason why you're seeing it right here. Okay, this is what we copied, and then you might be wondering what this guy is. Okay, this is one of the collations. Okay, what you just do is just type. Let me cut it. Let me just put it right here so that you won't be confused. As you can see, find what you copied the other time. Okay, replace it with UTF-8 general CI. Let me expand my screen. Okay, I was thinking I would be able to expand it like that, but unfortunately I can't. Okay, but then let me just put it right here. Let me open. Okay, let me just do this. This is it. Okay, this is what you want to replace it with, UTF-8 general CI. As you can see, this is bold enough for you to see. As you can see, UTF-8 MB4 underscore general underscore CI. Okay, so when you copy the other one, you replace it with this other one that I've just given to you right now. Okay, so that is that. So the moment you have you've brought what you copied from the error page, you've brought it here and you've replaced it with what? Your UTF-8 general CI. The next thing you want to do is replace all. Click replace all. As you can see, what you have is UTF-8 general CI everywhere, right? So the next thing you want to do is save the changes. So once you've saved your changes, of course, that's Control S, of course. So this is the newest version of the database. Okay, so I'll just go straight to my live server right now. Go straight to my live server and then try to import it over again. Okay, so I'll just come right here, look for it. This is the newest version. All right, made all the changes. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I release a new tutorial, you'll be the first to see it. And of course, I promise you, it will help you on your web development journey. So that is there. So let's wait for this right now. There is no problem. Everything has been successfully imported without any problem, without any hassle. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.